आप खुद देखते हैं?
I think कि बंगाली सिनेमा में I think there is, जैसे आपने कहा, बहुत से प्रोग्रेसिव नॉवेल्स, जहाँ तक हम शरद चंद्र के बारे में बात करें या रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर, या there's a lot of, I think a lot of literature started in India in Bengal anyway. There's a lot of creativity that comes from Bengal. I myself have been a part of two Bengali films that were based in Bengali literature. So, but I think that exists in Hindi cinema as well. And I think it's important sometimes to do cinematic adaptations of novels, and sometimes you get wonderfully original scripts, like Mumbai Meri Jaan is a wonderfully original script because it's based on a real life incident as opposed to something creative that has been written before.
आपकी मम्मी शर्मिला भी बंगाली फिल्म के जाने माने बंगाली में भी उन्होंने काम किया है, तो क्या कहेंगे आप उनके बारे में? अगर बंगाली की बेस्ट एक्ट्रेसेस की बात करें तो आप क्या कहेंगे?
आई थिंक जैसे हम जहाँ तक बंगाल के बारे में बात करें, तो जो लोग बंगाल में काम करते हैं वो पैसों के लिए काम तो नहीं करते हैं, वो दिल से काम करते हैं, सब बहुत ही क्रिएटिव होते हैं. जहाँ तक हम डायरेक्टर्स के बारे में बात करें, मुझे एक मौका मिला है ऋतुपर्णा घोष के साथ काम करने का. अपर्णा सेन, गौतम घोष, ये हिंदुस्तान के सबसे बेहतरीन डायरेक्टर्स हैं. एक्ट्रेसेस के बारे में अगर हम बात करें, तो डेफिनेटली माई मदर हु हैज़ मैनेज्ड टू डू बोथ बंगाली एज वेल एज इंग्लिश एज वेल एज हिंदी सिनेमा एज वेल. तो बहुत टैलेंट है एंड बहुत क्रिएटिविटी है, एंड आई थिंक not commercial intent at all.
So what was the USP?
The USP of Mumbai Meri Jaan, I think, is the fact that it is. Firstly, it's a wonderfully impactful film. It's made by a very talented director. It has a superb cast, which I think speaks volumes for itself, and it deals with a real life incident that all of us have to deal with on a day-to-day basis now, which is terrorism. But beyond that, it is really a very intimate look at the lives of 5 people, how they were affected both directly and indirectly by this incident, and I think. It's an emotional film, but there are moments in the film where you laugh and you cry and you feel, and you can, there's times where I wanted to sort of whistle as well, so it's a very, there are elements that are very popular in the film. So I don't know, I think it's a film that everybody should see and everybody will have an opinion on.